Near the Hardin Valley area of Knoxville, Tennessee, is a home that could be your next estate. Welcome to 2224 Covered Bridge Blvd. This 6-bedroom, 6-bath, and 2-half-bath home provides almost 6,000 square feet of luxurious living area. Let's step inside. Right from the foyer, we offer this private office for the stay-at-home executive. Here is the formal dining area. It's ready to accommodate your largest table. It's perfect for entertaining, too. The great room, beneath a tall cathedral ceiling and framed within a wall of glass to allow plenty of natural light. 2 built-in bookshelves flank the floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Now, this is all part of an open floor plan that takes you into the kitchen. The seats around the very large island make this conducive to informal, intimate gatherings. For the chef, there's tremendous cabinet storage all around you, above and below the granite countertops, not to mention the pantry. And your stainless steel appliances, from the commercial-grade refrigerator to the heavy-duty gas range, makes meal prep a breeze. The entertainment value of this home goes outside as well. You'll host a crowd at this screened-in covered porch with a barbecue grill to keep the treats rolling right along. And here's a surprise. Look beyond your laundry room. We've included a small full-service kitchen as well. 6 bedrooms at 2224 Covered Bridge Blvd offer the potential of comfort, privacy, and livability you won't see in comparable homes. For real, this is perfection for the growing family. Upstairs, we designed in this large play area for the kids, or it could be a second living room upstairs, surrounded by your bedrooms. Step through this door to a private patio, looking out on the neighborhood. Now, here's your master bedroom. It's beneath a tray ceiling, with your windows enhanced by stylish plantation shutters. Your master bath offers this very spacious glassed-in shower, garden tub, and dual vanity in granite. And yes, there's a finish downstairs, a world unto itself. This room is perfect as your media center. It adjoins a private bedroom and bath. We've also set aside an unfinished nook on the lower floor, providing lots of additional storage. With even more features you can certainly appreciate with a private tour, 2224 Covered Bridge Blvd in Knoxville is truly a must-see. Schedule your private tour today. Call Jim Dingus or Ashley Hiles at Coldwell Banker Wallace & Wallace direct.